spend an evening. Can't think of anything I'd rather do. This is a lovely way to spend an evening. Can't think of anyone as lovely as you. A casual stroll through a garden, a kiss by a lazy lagoon, catching a breath of moonlight, humming our favorite tune. This is a to spend an evening. I want to save all my nights and spend them with you. A casual stroll through a garden, a kiss by a lazy lagoon, catching a breath of moonlight, humming our favorite tune. This is a I want to save all my nights and spend them with you. Far away places with strange sounding names, far away over the sea. Those far away places with strange sounding names are calling me. Going to China or maybe Siam, I wanna see for myself those far away places I've been reading all about in a book that I took from the shelf. I start getting restless whenever I hear the whistle of a train. I pray for the day I can get away and look for those castles in Spain. They call me a dreamer. Well, maybe I am, but I know that I'm burning to see those faraway places with a strange sound and names are calling me. Calling me. Because to tell you the truth, I'll be lonely. I don't mind being lonely when your heart tells me you are lonely too. I'll walk alone. They'll ask me why, and I'll tell them I'd rather. There are dreams I must gather, dreams we fashioned the night you held me tight. I'll always be near you, no matter how far each night. In every prayer, if you call, I hear you. No matter how far, just close your eyes, and I'll be there. Please walk alone and send your love and your kisses to guide me till you're walking beside me. I walk alone. I'll always be near you, no matter how far each night. In every prayer, if you call, I hear you. No matter how far, just close your eyes, and I will be there. Walk alone and send your love and your kisses to guide me till you're walking beside me. I'll walk alone. Don't even answer my phone. Till you come back home, I'm walking alone. I tell you one more time, I'm alone without a love of my own. Till you come back home, I'm walking alone. is like a lovely tune. Beware, my foolish heart, how white the ever-constant moon. Take care, my foolish heart. There's a line between love and fascination that's hard to see on an evening such as this. For they both have the very same sensation when you're locked in the magic of a kiss. Her lips are much too close to mine. Beware, my foolish heart. But should our eager lips combine, then let the fire storm. For this time it isn't fascination or a dream that would fade and fall apart. It's love. This time it's love, my foolish heart. You belong to my heart, now and forever. And our love had its start not long ago. We were gathering stars while a million guitars played our love song. When I said I love you, every beat of my heart said it too. 'Twas a moment like this, do you remember? And your eyes through a kiss when they met mine. Now we own all the stars and a million guitars are still playing. Darling, you are the song and you'll always belong to my heart.